Hi guys, I wanted to talk to you today about my new favorite brush that I've been using at the salon for all of my clients, but especially my hair extension clients. And the brush is new to me. I know I'm really behind the times. You probably have seen it before, but it's new to me, not new to hairstyling. And it's called the Paddle Detangler by Wet Brush. And I'll put a link to purchase below. This brush is exactly that. It is a wet brush. So that means it's designed for use on wet hair. So don't go blow drying your hair with this brush. You're just gonna melt the plastic and ruin the brush. So use it on wet hair. It is designed for fast detangling, and that's exactly what the box says. Expanded cushion area for fast detangling. Remember that. And that's why I love this brush so much. Once I switched over in the salon to primarily combing out the tangles with that brush versus an old school vent brush, I noticed that I was chopping off as much as 10 minutes on a typical appointment or 25 minutes on my extensions appointments. So that's why I love this brush so much. I've got naturally tangly hair. When you add water to my hair, it turns into this super giant tumbleweed, and it's hard to manage, and it takes forever to get my tangles out. So once I switched over to this guy, I noticed that all I had to do was hop out of the shower, little bit of conditioning spray, and just the tangles combed right through easily and quickly without any ripping or pulling. In the past, like I said, I had been using the traditional vent brush. These guys are still okay. You're gonna see some of them still in my videos, but once I switched over, it's just been amazing, and it can't compare to this Paddle Detangler. So I have hand-tied hair extensions in, and it's one of my specialties at the salon. I will show you really quick. I don't want to bore you, but I've got two bars on, one bar on each side, a little mini right here. You can see that extension hair. So this brush, I always require my extension clients to buy this brush because it's got fast detangling qualities. I'm going to do a quick unboxing so that you can see how it works. It's got this amazing purple color that I love so much. Purple is my favorite color. I'm going to turn to the side, hold the base of your extensions, and it pulls right through nicely and cleanly, just gliding straight through. One thing that happens with hand-tied extensions, and this is a normal part of having them, it's nothing that you're doing wrong, it's nothing that I did wrong when I sewed them in, it's just the nature of adding that extra hair to your head. They tend to get a little bit knotted and tangly here at the tops. So I always tell my clients to comb through your extensions at least once a day on all of the rows. Most of my clients need between 1 and 4 rows. So you can imagine if you've got 4 rows of extensions, that's a lot of hair to get through, and it can be really annoying if you don't have the proper tools. And the Paddle Detangler helps you do that. Super quick, right to the base of the extensions. Let me show you on this side. Put those bristles right on in, and it glides through easily. Paddle Detangler by Wet Brush. Here is the second pro tip that I love. You can use this brush to comb hair mask through your extensions while you're in the shower. Even if you don't have extensions, let's say you've got coarse, long, curly hair, medium length hair, short hair, you can use this brush to comb that hair mask through your hair in the shower so that each hair fiber is evenly distributed with that yummy hair product. Okay, that's it, you guys. Thanks so much for watching. If you have any comments, put them below and I'll be sure to answer them. I love hanging out on Facebook and on Instagram. And remember, it's never been easier to have the hair of your dreams with hand-tied extensions. I'll talk to you later. Bye.